Hello, this is Dr. Louise from Home Pet Hospital. So today we are going to talk about do a home check for your pet. So we hope you all of your pet have health and non-life, and in some cases we only bring the pet to the vet once a year for vaccination. Obviously, 12 months to is quite long for a pet. So many things can change during this time. So for some people, they will bring their pet to the hospital or more regularly to do the health check. But some people will perform a home check for the pet. So which idea is better? So I think there are both pros and cons for both of the opinions. So we will talk about the vet check. So the benefit of the vet check can be more thorough as vets have more professional knowledge, and also we have additional tests if we need. For example, we have a telescope to listen to the sound of the heart and the breath of the lung, and also we have other equipment to check the organs inside. So, for example, we have an ultrasound machine to look the organs inside. And also you can bring your pet to your vet as often as possible to build up a rapport with your vet. Sometimes the owner will bring once a week to my pet hospital for grooming. So during the time when we do the bath or haircut for the animal, we can do a physical examination, and some owner will bring the pet to our hospital once a month for deworming, and also we can do a very fast health check for the pet. And also, as we mentioned already, the vets are all professional trained, and we can perform professional examination. I think that's the benefit that I can think at the moment for the benefit of the vet check. But there are also some disadvantages. For example, it is not convenient. I mean, it is time consuming, because sometimes it is not easy for the owner to bring the animal to the hospital. Sometimes the owner is busy, and also sometimes the animal is very stressed. For example, some cats are very stressed when we bring the cat from the home to the vet office. So I think that's advantage and disadvantage of the vet check. So we will talk about home check, and that's the topic of today. And I think the benefit of the home check is especially for those people, they are quite busy, they cannot bring the pet to the vet office quite often. So home check is the ideal choice. It is very convenient. For example, you can do it quite often. Sometimes even you can do once a day, and you can perform as a daily health check for your pets. It only takes several minutes to finish it. And for some owners, they might say that we are not professional trained. We are not professional. How can we perform a home pet check by ourselves? And I agree. And for a lot of owners that are not veterinary, they do not know what it is. But if you follow my steps, I think you will know more information. And as more as you do at home, you will know what is normal for your pet. Once there's any abnormality, you will realize immediately, and then you can discuss with your vet, and you can find the problem as early as possible. And also, I think that perform a good home check will be very good to train your animal. And we have some pets that when the owner bring the pet to our office. Sometimes they are very nervous, and especially when we try to check the mouth, and or if we try to check some sensitive areas, they are very nervous, and sometimes they'll even bite. So I think if you can perform the home check for your animal, just like do massage, the animal will be very peaceful during time when your vet perform the examination. And I think the disadvantage of the home check is that the owner is not professional, as we mentioned already, and you do not have enough equipment. But if you can do it at home very regularly, like weekly, and you can find something abnormal, and then you can, once there's something abnormal, you can give more information to your vet and help your pet. So which opinion is better and which I should choose? This question will depend a little bit on your specific situation and how you're confident you assess your health, your pet health. In practice, many people will compromise a mix of the two opinions. So they will do the weekly health check at home and bring the pet to the vet in several months to do a faster health check. And this will help you to identify some abnormality if there's something that you are not certain about, or sometimes you need a second opinion. So where your vet will think you are wasting his time, I think definitely not. It is a vet job to help you to maintain the health of your pet, and for me, being a vet, I prefer to do to see rather than 10 animals a day with a clean bill of health than one that owner did not want to borrow us with, that has become more serious problem, and will be much more pleasant to tell the owner the information about the health of the animal, which is quite healthy, than unfortunately than those kind of situation. It is a very bad situation that unfortunately things happened. Sometimes even happens that we think it's too late to deal with. So that's the reason why I recommend to perform a at-home health check for your pet. And in my next video, I'm going to talk about how to do it. So thank you for your watching, and see you in next video.